this is how we Jai for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can eliminate your ChatGPT 4 account in OpenAI. If you don't want to do that, or if you have so many accounts you want to delete some of them, so you can follow this procedure. So I put here ChatGPT. Go to your account of ChatGPT, log in. For example, I'm here in my account. Open chat. Normally it should appear in this case. I hit next button. Next, done. So you are in your ChatGPT account. All is here. You see your name should appear here. You see Harry Jaffrey. I hit here 3 dots. For example, you can log out from your account, but it doesn't mean that account will disappear. The account is there already. So you have to go to setting option. In setting data control, you have to go first in general. You can change the system theme. Then data control. You see here export data. If you want to export data before going out, if you want important data, do that. Or hit delete account here. Okay, all the history, everything. I hit delete button. You have to type here delete to delete this, so they will know you are human beings, you are not AI doing this. So I write here delete. I have to put my account email address here. You have to type that. Hit permanently delete my account. Is gone. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. So you're out from the system. So this is how you can delete your ChatGPT account with OpenAI. Very simple procedure, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till then, bye bye.